Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I have an exciting video for you, or I think I do. So I've been looking at the Kaleidos website for a while now, and I saw this on there. I think I originally saw it on Beauty Boxes by Tammy. I was going back and forward between this palette and another palette, but then this one seemed more like me. And I realised with everything that's been happening, and obviously with Christmas post and things, I didn't really want to order from Kaleidos themselves. Now, I ordered from Beauty Boxes by Tammy, and I probably paid considerably more than the Kaleidos website. So originally it's £36.99 on Beauty Boxes by Tammy. Now, she does have to make a small cut, so I don't actually mind paying the difference. But it went down to £32.99 in the sale, and I was thinking, I really want the palette. I wasn't initially going to get it this early, but because she'd knocked it down by £4, I just thought everyone that hasn't already got it would have bought it at the same time I did. And I didn't know how much stock she carries as well. You know, she is, after all, you know, a small business, so I don't know how much stock she gets of things. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up, and it arrived today, and let me just say what a beauty it is. Love, love, love the packaging, so I'm definitely keeping the packaging. So that's what it looks like. Isn't that pretty, the artwork? And then the palette is just absolutely beautiful. So it just looks like that. I'm sure you've seen it time and time again, but I just thought I want to do the swatches on it, and you can, it's magnetic, so you don't even have to take it off completely. But that's the colour story there. We'll take the mirror off, obviously, and then that's the mirror. So, you know, I can hold that up close and personal if I want to do my eyes, but normally I use a handheld mirror. Let's put that like that. Is that in frame? Yeah, just about. So what we're getting, 3, 6, 9 eyeshadows. It reminds me of the Melt eyeshadows. Does it not remind you of that, with the like leaves imprinted, and even like this colour story here and this colour story here? Can't remember what that palette was called because I never got it. But yeah, we're going to swatch it and then maybe do some template swatches as well. So I'm going to start off with this mint green here. Now, the reason I bought it is because all of these shades in this palette are just so me, especially these here. These, well, all of them, in fact. There isn't one shade in here I don't like. I've got a feeling these shimmer's going to be more like toppers. Let's see. So we're going to go in with Mint Fever. Oh, it's really, really bright. Just go in a little bit more with that. So that one is Mint Fever. What I'll do as well is I'll turn the light down towards the end, and you'll be able to see it a little bit more brighter. Then we're going in with Aloe Cove. Ooh. So that's Aloe Cove. Yeah, they're definitely toppers, but look at that for like glitter. Let's pop a bit more on. Wow, they are so sparkly. That's what I was going to get, the Escape Pod, and I still might, but it had quite a lot of bright colours in, and I really like to test the palette out, and some of those shades I didn't know what to do with. I'm sure the Escape Pod was £55, so I just wanted to try the formula first, and I thought, well, I'll get this Kaleidos Punk Flower Palette first, and it's not the cheapest one you can buy. The smaller palettes are £25, so maybe I'll also get some of that soon. So also maybe I'll get one of those soon as well. The next one is called Stained Glass. Oh, that's like a duochrome. Oh yes. So I don't know, it looks like a pinky colour, and then you're getting like shifts of gold in there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that's the way I can see it. And this one is really sheer as well. What I'm thinking now is, I'll tell you at the end. Just get on with the swatches. The next one is called Nova. Really, really nice shade to deepen it out. These are so smooth, guys. So Nouveau. Then we've got Peach Soju. I don't even think that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it. So that's that one there. And then we've got, oh, Chlorophyll, I think it's called. Maybe not, but that's what it looks like. That's that one. Really nice lime green. And then we've got like a mustard shade called Golden Age. Which is just a tad deeper than Chlorophyll. And then we've got the last shimmer, which is called Sun Gazer. I think this is going to be my favourite. Ooh, that is so reflective. Yeah, they've got a lot of glitter in them. I can feel it. But it's not that gritty glitter, it's a smooth kind. Sun Gazer. And then the last one is called Earthship. This might be one of the next palettes I use, actually. Right, let's turn it down just a tad. Right, so that is all the shades there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the camera off the tripod, give you a close-up of the eyeshadow palette and then of the eyeshadows on my arm, and then we'll do a template swatch as well. Right guys, so this is a close-up of the palette. I think this is one of my most prettiest palettes. I just love that artwork so much. It's so pretty. And then I don't know how much you saw on my arm, but they're the close-ups of the swatches. I think the deepest shade shimmer wise is that like yellow gold there, and that one again is called Sun Gazer. I cannot wait to use that. I think some of these shimmers, like this one here, this one is called Aloe Cove, would look absolutely stunning over Mint Fever, and I think that one there, Stained Glass, would look really nice over Peach Soju. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, it's probably not. And then I think them two would look really good together. So Earthship on first all over the lid and into the crease, and then Sun Gazing over the top, just to make it more pigmented. So guys, let me just go and do the template swatches and then we'll be done. Right guys, so I've just done the swatches and that's what they're looking like, all 9 swatches on the arm there. I'm very impressed on first impressions on this particular palette. Already need to clean up because I'm a bit obsessed like that. Is anyone else obsessed out there with the palettes like getting a little bit grubby? I feel like I need to clean it, but yeah, I absolutely love this packaging. I feel like they've done such an amazing job. But from the palettes that I've seen, the Kaleidos palettes, the packaging on all of them is really pretty. So let me know your thoughts on Kaleidos as a brand. Let me know if you've got any recommendations now. My friend Lisa from Banning, Panning and Beyond told me that the highlighters are amazing. There's one called, I think it's called Sun Gazer or something like that. It's a yellow one in the yellow packaging that I'd like to get, but Beauty Boxes by Tammy had sold out, so I just bought the palette. And to be honest, I didn't know the brand, I didn't know what the formula would be, so I just thought I'd just try one thing this time. The liquid lipsticks also look nice, so maybe I'll get some of those next time. But yeah, just let me know your thoughts on it. I would really appreciate it, as always. I'm loving interacting with you over on my community tab. I'm just wondering what you guys would like to see first. So I'm just wondering what you guys would like to see first. The Kaleidos Punk Flower, which is this one, or the Colourpop High Tides. I think I'll bring them both in by the end of the month and want to use both of the palettes. I mean, this next week I'll be using Lethal Cosmetics Roots palette. I could quite easily use both these palettes in the next 2 weeks, and then we'll pull a new Shop My Stash out. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. It does mean the world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.